here at Navigator Sports, the better fitness choice. My name is Lian, and speaking of new and exciting things, guys, congratulations! Subscribers to tayo here in YouTube. So congratulations to all of us, guys, and don't forget to keep on subscribing, to keep on sharing our videos, liking, keep on supporting, keep building this Navigator family. And guys, I know you're wondering why I'm all alone. But don't you worry, I got you guys. Today I'm going to introduce to you a new host. Yes, a new host. Let's welcome her all together. Bernie! Over and I'm glad to finally be here at Navigator Sports. Newest episode. Once again, my name is Bernice and how are you, Diane? Okay, coping with as best as I can in this new normal. Wow, speaking of new normal, di ba? Nagiging new normal din ang ating fitness goal. So what's your fitness goal ba? Diba? Share mo naman sa first. Oh, fitness goal. I will share. So syempre aside guys from wanting to lose fat body, syempre we want to build strength even as women. Strength training, resistance training. Actually, alam mo tama yan. Tsaka alam mo ba, Diana, kahit mga Pilipino, di ba alam naman natin na importante sa atin na maging healthy, fit, and strength. Kasi for sure in the diet, for sure of the diet, ito part ng pag-exercise, o pag-workout, yun, doon tayo nagiging panta kasi guilty. Yes, guilty, 100% guilty. Din ako dyan kasi yung iba, di ba, maraming dahilan, di ba? Ayaw pumunta sa gym, kasi di ba traffic papunta sa gym, yung iba naman pagod na, ito wala nang time, di ba? Yan, alam mo totally, sa totoo lang Dayan, it's really up to us, it's our fitness goal really, up to our reach talaga. So, ayun, nasa atin na lang talaga yun. So, we're here at Navigator Sports, we have something that might really help na hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa gym, di ba? Hindi na kailangan magbayad ng gym membership fee. Kaya naman, for this episode, excited na ako na natin madagalin ito. Sabihin mo na! Yes, let's get in. Hashtag fitness goals to go, guys. So today, we're going to talk about a basic but all essential and cost-effective equipment. Yes, that has all you need for bodybuilding and weight training exercises. We're talking about this Navigator Power. God! Of course, guys, as well, Navigator Sports only gives you heavy duty and quality workout equipment. Always heavy. Bakit sinabing heavy duty? Ayun naman, tingnan nyo guys. This is very sturdy. Very sturdy talaga. It comes in this 1.1 meter by 1.1 meter size, of course, making it very, very sturdy and ayan, supported siya with this metal and steel and extended in these two metal poles that extends all the way to the top, connected by this bars. Sturdy to the guys. Sobrang sturdy ito. You do not need to bolt it down to the floor. Wow. Diba? Wow. It's very simple, durable, and compact. All for you. And not only that, guys, very quality siya because it comes in this 3mm steel frame. That is 3 by 2. Ayan. Sobrang sturdy. And of course, it comes in this black powder-coated finish. Ayan guys, nakita nyo naman. It's scratch-proof. Siyempre, ayaw natin when we invest on something, we want it to last long. Gusto natin sulit, di ba? Gusto natin smart. And, of course, hindi lang yun. Kasama na rin dyan ito. Very, very important bar holder to the weight, guys. Both sides meron, which is completely adjustable. Ayan, I'll show you. You just pull out this pin. Ayan, pin. I'm gonna help. And then, ayan. Nakita nyo, meron ditong multiple holes that you can adjust according to your height preference. So, ayan, balik natin. Very easy. You just have to make sure that this black ball, the rubber, medyo plasticky siya, is turning this way para sobrang sakit. Nakakatuso. Ayan, so, ayan, like I said, guys, the bar holder is here, and of course, this safety catch. The struggle with working out at home sometimes is wala tayong spotter. Especially in weight training, important yung spotter. Why? So that you can reduce the risk of injury. So, pag medyo nahirapan ka na, ito, meron siyang safety catch. Called a safety catch. And both of these accessories, it comes with this pad here, right here, soft pad, to protect your equipment with. And, of course, guys, ito, meron din siya dito sa dalawa. Ganda ng design nito because it comes with this bar holders. Dalawa yan on both sides. I'll show you later how you can use this further. But also, it comes with this plate holders. Ayan, sa dalawang side, meron siyang plate holders. Very, very essential if you want to increase your weight training and your strength training. Siyempre, kailangan level up, di ba? You're not good. So, guys, I talked about the parts and all the what it made of. Bernice, tell us about how to use this one. Yes, Diana, thank you for discussing about each part of our half raft. And now, let's go to the function and benefits of our half raft. So, we have two functions of half raft. And first is the pulling up or chilling up. Tinatawag natin chilling up. No? I'm gonna demo it later. Pero syempre, mabalik tayo, beginner for a woman like us. What I'm going to do is to stand here sa ating safety class later. But I'm going to demo how are you going to do the chilling up. Ayan. So, hindi mo kailangan mag-worry kasi kahit gumalaw, super sturdy siya and super, steady siya talaga. So, ayan. For this chinning up and pulling up workout, you're going to use your body weight or yung tawag natin calisthenics. So, ayan. So, ready na ako. I'm good to go. So, 1, 2, 3. And then let's slowly go down. Kasi, grabe, makikita niyo yung likod ko, yung mga advanced, ang unique advanced for just only one workout. That's natin ma-exercise na mga fats, sa mga lalaki, mga bicep, diba? So, ma-exercise na workout. Ayan, so, that's all for the first and or primary function of our half rack. And let's now go to the secondary function of our half rack. And that is doing the squat. Ayan. So here, we have the squat section using the Olympic bar. This is 7-foot Olympic bar. It weighs 20 kilograms. So medyo mabigat siya kahit wala na siyang plate. No? At ito ang nagaya natin yung plate. This is the plate holder. I want you to look here. So as I'm carrying this plate holder, so tingnan nyo. Ayan. Nabagsak ko siya sa ating gym mat. Ayan. So, itong mat na to is high density mat. So, makikita nyo, it's super sturdy, super matigas siya. Kahit mabagsak-bagsak yung mga plate or mga bar natin, hindi masisira ito. Itong ating tiles, so kung ano man, or lupa, or tiles, or anything na pinaglalagyan ng ating gym mat. So, but for now, for this demo, I'm not going to add any plate kasi mabigat na nga. As I said earlier, 20 kilo na itong ating Olympic bar. So, I'm just going to give it a try. Just one lang so let's see kung kaya natin mag-squat using this Olympic bar. So, Diana, super dami. Ready? Like this. Grabe. Let's give it one more time. Ayan. So, I want you to look here. As Diane said earlier, meron tayong safety catch. So, kung halimbawa makaligtaan natin mailagay dito, meron siyang magka-catch dito. And meron pang isa guys, you can do bench press. Ayan. And by the way, you can do a lot or many more exercises or workout here. Only at the piece of equipment, diba? Super compact siya, just one equipment. You can do so many workout, diba? Compact siya. And you can, maganda dito Dayan, you can do here at the comfort of your home, di ba?
Oo, naman.
And it would only cost, magkano ba ito yan?
Before we get to that, ito pa sa inyo guys. Yung bar holder natin. Ayan. Ship lang siya dyan. Don't have to worry about it. Kasi
Yes,
ang alam ko, if you don't have a storage, it will destroy your walls. Yung
Yes.
mga bars na to. Mabigat to. Like you said,
20 kilos? Kailangan, ito lang ang kaya.
sobrang But like you
Yes.
said, you can get all of this guys, all of the functionality and the features and all of the usage, and you can use it for many exercises only for 7,500 pesos. Once again, 7,500.
7.5 only for
Murang-mura na to guys for a half rack. You can check out others. Pero talagang ito, sulit na. And
Yes.
quality pa. Navigator Sports yan.
Yes, alam mo ba na yan? Super perfect to for fitness investment. Kasi investment to for a lifetime, di ba? You can use this as the comfort of your home.
Mm,
And just as we saver in house, di ba? So if you have extra space in your home, you can place it, di ba? Elsewhere.
There lang to.
Yes.
And guys, if you want to update your home gym equipments, and you check out our Facebook pages and Instagram, you will see na rin kami in-offer na Olympic Starter Package, which includes this half rack already,
Yes.
and this
Olympic
big one
bar.
is Olympic bar, and you have the flat bench, and you
Yes.
have the discs. But in pieces yun, just check out the page guys, and you will see
Check the
sulit talaga
page.
yun.
Yeah.
But don't forget, guys, if you want to get this half wrap, just go onto our page, message us, order, text us, whatever you need to do, just buy it now for 7,500 pesos only. But the way Bernice Didang dyan nagtatawa sa episode natin, you know we always have our hashtag challenge of the day!
Bigla naman ako dito may pa-hashtag challenge pala
Yes.
tayo na yan. At ano yan, excited na ako sa challenge na yan.
Well, ang mag-introduce na ating, and then mag-explain ng ating challenge of the day is none other than our newest model and influencer under Navigator Sports. Let's all welcome Jenny!
Hi, Bernice. Welcome sa Navigator Sports.
Thank you.
Yung challenge na yan.
Thank you first for that very warm welcome. And again, meron na naman tayong panibagong challenge. And itong challenge na ito ay tatawagin natin Squat Till You Make It Challenge.
Squat? Squat na pala yung malaki ang ginawa mo kanina.
Yes, kaya nga nakita ko kanina mo ka nag-practice.
Yes.
Pero syempre, magpapatalo ba ang team Dayan?
Siyempre, let's go
And
din!
hi, Bernice! Makinig sa comment section. Simple lang naman naman din yung mechanics na ginagawa. Magkakaroon tayo ng 3 levels. Kailangan natin mag-squat 5 times with this 20 kilos bar.
Oh!
That's for our first level, girls. And for our next level, simple lang. Mag-a-add lang tayo ng another 5 kilos. And you have to do the
Di ka
5
naman galit.
Hindi kaya.
Kaya
ka
ka
naman.
naman.
Kaya nyo yan, kayo. Siyempre, third level. Sa third level natin, guys, simple lang. Kailangan natin lang i-add again ng another 5 kilos.
Nako! Uwian na!
Uwian na. Para mag-score na tayo dito, kailangan natin mag-jump. Alamin na natin kung sino magsisimula ng game na to.
Ay, master ako dyan sa jump and point. Course ko yan. Okay.
Sige, ikaw, Bernice. Sige na natin to. Ayan, o. Sige, go. Do anything with 1, 2, 3, let's start. Ano yan?
Bakit na yung court?
Ano?
1, 2, 3, go. Oh, tayo.
Ay, okay, paano mo yung
Ano?
Bakit di mo ba natin kailangan na kayo? 1, 2, 3. Bagsak! 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 Ready? Go! 1, 2,
Oh, yeah!
3, 4.
Round two.
Kaya mo yan. Go! 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Round three.
Okay, Marlies, it's your turn.
Bakit ganun?
Three! Mga points pa yun. Yung points pa yun. Five!
Bakit parang nagkakak mo sa kanya? Bakit ganun?
Ready, one.
One! Two!
Gaganon kayo.
Three! Four!
Tapos pwede kayo ganon.
Umihinto.
Bakit ganon? Alam niyo yung nakikita ko sa mga gym professionals. Gumagano sila. Energy ko yung pagod.
Sana sinabi mo yung kanina.
Ready, one.
Round 3.
One!
One,
Two!
two,
Three!
four. Yung mataas, one. O, ikaw ang talo. Ikaw ang magkakasin.
15 yung next challenge natin. Dadagdagan natin ng another 5 kilos here. So, dadagdagan namin.
Tapos,
Paano tayo tatayo ulit?
ganon.
Wala tayong pawin.
Ganon. Actually, malakas na.
Three!
Parang 4 na yun. Teka lang.
Five na, girl.
Yung pawis ko po. 10 kilos din. 10 kilos na po yung
Okay,
pawis.
so Bernice,
Nalaban tayo.
Laban.
Parang nasa taas yung kabila. Teka. Okay, go.
Two!
Parang may coaching doon sa kabila.
Naawa ko sa kanya, girl.
Parang ano.
Three!
3.
Four!
Actually, ikaw talaga.
Dahil yung nanalo, girl, sabi ko sa'yo,
Kala ko madadagdagan pa.
may mga pawis na kinala.
Hindi naman ako ready sa linis-linis na to.
Hindi. Actually, meron kaming surprise na punishment para sa'yo. Pero kung
Okay.
napadala, simple lang naman yung iyong gagawin. Kailangan mo lang tong...
Ano yan? Bakit may suka?
Hindi ka suka, girl. Gatas mo din.
Yes,
Ay, gagawin ko yan. Ay, gagawin mo.
ready na siya. Ready na yata siya.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wow!
Kulang, kulang, kulang na lang sa
Ay!
Ismalik ko yung kulang talaga yung pinag ko. Kamay, no? Kamay, no?
Oh,
Maganda ka naman, di ba? Maganda pala ka.
Grabe! Sobra ako nag-enjoy dito sa challenge mo na to, girl.
Ang saya-saya. Minsan pa lang sila
Yes.
mahirap na magkakulong mo nanonood.
Oh, yes! Ano mo ba, buti na lang nagamit natin itong half wrap na to. Gain our weight. Ayan, so mapapapractice na talaga ako mag-squat.
Para next time, hindi ka naman tatalo.
Yes, that's so I can watch my next class. Kailangan ko na mag-ginawas na yun.
Yes, guys!
Okay, so once again, don't forget to hit like naman sa aming YouTube channel.
And subscribe, guys.
Yes, and share this on all social media platforms. Share to
Yes.
your friends, guys. And don't forget to click the link down below and follow us on our Instagram pages. Follow Navigator Sports on all social media platforms.